Discover the secrets to determining your home's worth and gain invaluable insights from me with 18 plus years of experience of doing hundreds of successful transactions. Whether you are buying or selling in California or anywhere, this video is your roadmap to pricing the success. Don't miss out. Watch now. Hi sellers, are you thinking or wants to know what your home is really worth? Feeling a bit lost when it comes to pricing for buying or selling? Well, you are in luck. Because today I am spilling the beans. With my decades of real estate experience under my belt, I have seen it all. Let us dive into the nitty-gritty of home valuation, especially if you are eyeing on properties in the Bay Area. First of all, let us talk about the size. You don't compare Lexus to Tesla or to Honda, right? Well, the same goes for homes too. A 2000 square feet property is a whole different league than a 4000 square feet mansion. It's all about the square feet when determining the value. Now, coming on to the condition of the house. Picture this, comparing a beat up old damaged car to a shiny new car. That is the difference between a rundown property and a one that has been lovingly maintained and upgraded. Consider things like modern amenities, landscaping and overall upkeep. The third aspect is location. It is more crucial. Are you close to conveniences like freeways and shopping? Or are there any potential deal breakers nearby like power poles or heavy traffic? Here is the kicker. It is totally normal to feel attached to your home and think it is worth $1,000,000. But overpricing or underpricing can cost you big time. That is why it is essential to take all factors into account. In our company, we are passionate about helping you to find your perfect home. We are not just in the business of real estate, we are in the business of making dreams come true. So, whether you are selling or buying, let us be your guide. Make today the day you take the first step towards your real estate goals. Reach out to us and let us make magic happen. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area with a tradition of excellence and integrity. If you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for checking and make it a great home buying and selling day.